Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to talk about all things cruelty-free. Now we are in pandemic, which means we are going through crazy and chaotic things every single day. Even a few months ago, there was a huge wildfire in Australia, and the report said approximately 1.25 billion animals were killed or affected indirectly or directly. So I think this situation asks us how we should live after, because we do not want this situation again. Obviously, virus is not caused by animal testing or climate change, but if we do the same thing over and over, we're gonna face with the same situation like disease or disasters. To make a better world for us and future generation, I think small thing we can do right now is be more conscious about what we purchase. Honestly, I'm not purchasing exclusively cruelty-free products, and I'm not vegan or vegetarian, and I still make this video because I want to be more aware of how products are made. I think this will be helpful for you guys also, whether you're interested in cruelty-free or not. The most important thing is just be aware of this subject. While I'm researching about this subject and educate myself, I realized that there are so many things we need to know and really want to share this with you guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is cruelty-free and why it's important to support cruelty-free, how we found the real cruelty-free, and I'm gonna walk you guys skincare and makeup with using only cruelty-free products. I think this is gonna be a lengthy video, so let's just right into it. So what is cruelty-free? When it comes to cosmetics, it means that products that are not tested on animals. It refers to testing process than the product's ingredients, so it can still contain non-vegan ingredients like beeswax or honey, like that. So why we should support cruelty-free and why is it good? Of all animal tests for cosmetics, raised eye tests are considered as the coolest. It is used to test the products if the products irritate on human eyes. In the test, white rabbits are tested because they are unable to wash like irritable substance from their eyes by themselves. If you think about something got into your eyes, even like a little dust, it's really painful, and it's the same for rabbits. The thing is, they can't tell and they can't do anything with it actually. Even there are many reliable alternatives like computer or mathematical models. Even it does not guarantee that the product or ingredient react the same to human and animals in the same way. Then how we can check if the products are real cruelty-free? So it's actually confusing if it's real cruelty-free or not. The FDA knows that the use of term cruelty-free and not tested on animals are unregulated in the US. As well as other countries, there are no legal definition or requirement to say that they are cruelty-free or not tested on animals. There are so many bunny logos out there saying that they are cruelty-free, so I'm gonna tell you 3 reliable bunny logos we should trust. So first logo is this Leaping Bunny logo. This logo is from Cruelty-Free International. They are an international organization, and this is the most reliable certification among these 3. So the second one is this PETA's bunny logo, aka Caring Consumers logo. It is US based and certificated by PETA, and the PETA organization, they also provide vegan logo as well. I think this logo is what you can see the most from cruelty-free brands because it's easier to get this logo than the previous one. So third one is this Choose Cruelty-Free logo. This is from independent Australian organization, so you might have to look for this logo if you live in Australia. But some companies can still be verified Leaping Bunny logo or PETA without displaying this logo on their packaging, so it's better to check out their website, PETA or Leaping Bunny logo's website, and search the brands, and then you can see if the products are real cruelty-free or not. So in today's skincare and makeup routine, I'm using only products carrying one of these logos. So it might be really helpful for you guys looking for real cruelty-free products and brands. So let's just start it. First, skincare, I'm starting with a toner. I'm using this Lush Breath of Fresh Air Toner Water. Most of you guys may know about and assume that Lush is cruelty-free. Yes, Lush is cruelty-free and certificated by PETA. I think Lush is one of the most well-known brands for caring about animals, environment, and human lives. And also they do a lot of campaigns. Most appealing one for me was performing animal testing on London Street in 2012. They provide a visual representation of what laboratory animal goes through every day and shows like how cruel it is if you do the same thing to humans. If you see pictures of it, you will definitely feel how painful it would be. I really want to support this brand because not only they do good things, but also they actually have a lot of good stuff. And their hair care and body care products are amazing. So back to this toner, I've been really enjoying using this toner when I just get out of shower first. It's just like a press my skin to use the products like serum or essence I'm using after. Their main ingredients are spring water, fresh sea water, and aloe vera gel. And also it contains essential oils like rosemary oil and citrus oil, so they have really nice scent. But you might want to avoid this ingredient if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin because it can sensitize or irritate your skin. But for me, I don't have any issue with essential oils, so I've been just really enjoy using these products. It's just really lightweight watery toner. I just spray directly once on my face, and depending on my skin condition, I spray 1 or 2 more times. Next for serum, I'm using this Hersteller Little Drops Glow Serum. You might never heard about this brand because it's just launched. So this brand is from Korean online editorial shop called W Concept. They actually have a good range of skincare products or makeup products, so you can check out their website, as they are doing also really good promotions. So I'm gonna put the link down below. This brand is cruelty-free and certificate by PETA. And actually they make this product in USA, so they're manufactured in USA. This product is packed with 51% of rose water. If you start to look for ingredient lists of cruelty-free or vegan skincare products, you realize that there are actually a lot of products containing rose water because rose water is such a good ingredient. It has anti-inflammatory effect and it contains antioxidants, so it's really great for anti-aging. And also it helps in maintaining the skin pH balance as well. And next main ingredient is maple leaf extract. If you think about maple syrup, it's really rich and sticky, and actually it does the same job on your skin. This ingredient was recently found that it's really effective for anti-aging. You know that retinol is one of the best anti-aging ingredients, but it's animal derived ingredient, so you might want to replace that ingredient other ingredient, but this can be a good replacement of this. And also they put blue agave, which is great for anti-aging as well. Overall they put nourishing and anti-aging ingredients, so good for maintaining your skin hydration much longer. I've been using this product since February, so this is my second bottle. I just like how it gives like dewy glow on my skin. For cream, I'm using this The Body Shop Drops of Youth Cream. The Body Shop is cruelty-free and certificate by Leaping Bunny logo. Surprisingly, The Body Shop was the first company to be certificate with Leaping Bunny logo in 1997, and they still carry the logo. I have normal to dry skin, and this cream has really like right fat and water balance for my skin, so it just gives me like a right amount of hydration on my skin. And also it feels really comfortable on my skin, so I've been really enjoying this cream as well. For sunscreen, I'm using this Glossier Invisible Shield. I'm so happy to know that Glossier is cruelty-free and it is certificate by PETA. I just really love this sunscreen. It's been one of my most favorite sunscreen. This one doesn't really leave any oily or greasy residue. You kind of want a little bit moist in the first place when you just apply on your skin, but it absorbs in your skin really quickly. So I just finished my skincare and I'm moving on to makeup. I'm gonna do really natural berry makeup. I'm not gonna do something too over the top, and also it's gonna be very easy to follow, so let's just right into it. So I'm gonna finish all the correcting and concealing with this color correcting palette from NYX. I am so happy to know that NYX is cruelty-free and it is certificate by PETA. But NYX is owned by L'Oreal, and L'Oreal do test their products on animals. So knowing that, it's up to you. You can decide whether you purchase the product from NYX or not. So I'm going to mix this light peachy shade with deep shade to create my own shade to cancel out the darkness on my face, like around my eyes, just around my lips. After blending the corrector, and I'm going to use this as a concealer as well, so I'm going to mix these two shades to create my own shade. Just apply anywhere I need some coverage. I'm gonna use just fingertip to blend into the skin naturally. And for the blush, I'm going to use this Glossier Cloud Paint in Haze. The shade is Deep Berry and looks kind of scary in the first place, but the formula is designed to be sheer and it comes out really natural on your skin. You have to start with really small amount and then slightly build up the color. I'm going to put first layer of it and then see if I want to add more or not, as I want to do a little bit intense blush look for today. I'm going to 2 layers of it and then put 1 more layer on the front cheek. And the rest of the amount, I'm going to put a little bit on my lids. For brows, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I honestly surprised that Anastasia Beverly Hills is cruelty-free and it is certified by PETA. I'm just gonna draw a little bit lines onto my brows and then smudge and blend all together to get more like softer look. After curling my lashes, I'm going to use my favorite mascara, which is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Tarte is cruelty-free and certified by PETA. This is such a nice mascara for volumizing and thickening lashes. So I'm going to apply on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes with this mascara. To put a little bit warm color on my face, I'm using bronzer and I'm using this Too Faced Chocolate Longwear Matte Bronzer. Too Faced is cruelty-free and certified by PETA. This bronzer is rich, matte, and long-lasting bronzer, so have to be really careful when you use this product because it's really intense. So I'm going to apply this really lightly on the out of my face and do a little bit contour. Next up for highlighter, I'm going to use this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Hourglass is also cruelty-free and certified by PETA. I personally really like this brand's product. It's really high quality but a little bit pricey though. This highlighting palette is not what you might expect from other brands' product because it's not really intense. The glitter particles are really like subtle and it's really like invisible if you apply on your skin, but it still gives really sophisticated glow on your face. I might reach out this product whenever I want to really nice, defined, sophisticated, like a natural glow on my face. So I'm going to apply this height on my cheekbones, underneath my brows, just anywhere I want the nice natural glow on my face. So last but not least, I'm going to use this Glossier Generation G in Like. This is deep berry shade, but once you apply it on your lips, it comes a really wash up color. And also it's buildable, so if you want more like opaque coverage, you can add more color as well. So I'm going to apply roughly over my lips and apply until I get the look I want. So this is my finished skincare and makeup with using only cruelty-free products. I hope you guys find this video helpful to know about cruelty-free and more aware of how products are made. If you start to get a little bit interested in this subject, the brands like other non-cruelty-free brands will listen that and then think about going to cruelty-free. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful and please stay safe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!